sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise.
Hello my awesome people, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 low buns for long hair that will be so perfect for this spring. For our first low bun, we want to select our hair into a low ponytail using a triple clear hair elastics, like in a low ponytail like that. We want to make an opening and bring half of our hair through it like that. Now we want to grab our ends, smoothing it out with a comb. We want to tie the ends using a clear elastic. On last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, tuck it into the elastic underneath, or use some bobby pins like I did to hide it. Spread your top section so everything is nice and smooth, and you're done. For our next hairstyle, we want to select again our hair like in a low ponytail. On last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through like that. Now you want to grab the ends underneath, divide it into two, roll it like that, and pull a little bit your roll to make it fuller and voluminous, and tuck it into the elastic underneath. So you want to repeat these steps with your second section. Our low bun is ready. For third one, we want to select two sections from both sides of our parting like that, bring them back and tie them both together like so. Now you want to topsy tail them, and you want to repeat, add two more sections and tie it over. Flip it like that. Now, with our remaining hair, you want to make a super simple 3-strand braid like I do here, making sure to tie the ends with a clear elastic. Then you want to grab another clear elastic. I'll make sure to double them, so just in case. Now you want to tie your hair like halfway like that. Now grabbing the ends of your braid, you want to wrap it up to hide your elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath like so. Cute, huh? For our last hairstyle, we want to tie our hair like we did with our second bun. Then you want to divide your underneath sections into two and make sure to braid them. You can make any type of braid that you like here. I decided to go with a super simple 3-strand braid. Tie the ends with a clear elastic, of course. Now you want to grab your braids, bring them up to hide your elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath like that, and repeat with your second braid. This is so chic, voluminous, texturized, so perfect for the spring in my opinion. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel for more tutorials. Have a beautiful spring everyone, and I love you so much and see you soon. Mwah! Bye!